You're just gonna decide to. Okay, yeah, slam on a whole house. Why don't you?
We need to close this.
Shut up!
Ever having a mental breakdown? Yes. Ever wanting to go somewhere in your house alone, but don't have one because you share a room with your idiotic sister? Yes. Well, I've got the thing for you. This!
Hey guys, I haven't uploaded in a long time.
But it is my secret room made out of an old water heater closet. So let's head inside. I know there's not much to see in here, but I'll give you an in-depth tour to make the video longer, giving me more views. What? No, just kidding. Here on your left, you have this door that I painted. So if you check behind this poster, it's all painted back there. Yes, that says "and I hope," which is very cringy. But we have all my paintings back there. But those are paintings I don't really like. This, weirdly, is my favorite painting. I painted just computer symbols and all that fun jazz. My sister did the clouds, and then I just put my Stranger Things poster over everything else. This carpet. So this carpet I found in, I think, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It constantly gets covered in dust because it's fur, and yes, it is fake. But I wanted to get this other carpet, but it was like $200, and I'm like, no. So these two pillows are also from the clearance section, Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as this carpet.
No!
And then we have this pillow from my favorite store, Five and Below. I usually sit it right down there, and you have my little nook. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. Next we have this wall here. So this wall is a collective of paintings. And
Wow, so very interesting, my dear.
So we have this calendar, and it tells me all of the calendar-y things I'm doing. Next we have just these two math notebooks in case I get bored and I want to do math.
Which is absolutely never.
We have my iPad mounted on the wall, and this is what I do with it. I watch The Office while I'm in here. And it's mounted up on this wall just because it's there. And then this is a vent so that I don't suffocate in here. So I covered it with, I was gonna buy a tapestry, but then I was like, why not save money and just nail these these pieces of fabric I had. So these are actually togas that we used in school because we had a toga Greek day. And by the way, can I just make a point to say that when I took out these like togas, like when I took them out and nailed them to the wall, they smelled like dead fish for at least 5 days. And then they just conjoined right there, if you couldn't tell by that giant seam. But next, let's talk about the lights. I have the remote Velcroed right there. I usually just keep them on white though, because that's the simplest, but I love the Velcro over here because it's just my little light switch.
Okay, so for the next 10 minutes, I go on way too long and in way too much detail about the stuff on my walls. So basically, I use the lights and I clip little things to them and I staple gun the lights up, except for my dad. That was the only part that I didn't do. My dad did that. But I just hang a bunch of memories up there and, like, photos, tickets, just a lot of things that, like, I want to remember. But, like, yeah, so that's fun, but there's literally no need for me to go in depth on all of them because you do not care and you're probably not even watching. Then we have this beautiful marble table. So this was already at my house, actually, but it's marble and it has little gold legs, if you can see that. A mason jar with fairy lights in it, with the switch back here, and fake flowers because I will kill any real ones, as well as just a random rock here. We have the annoying shelf, and then these are bracelets I'm going to sell on my Depop, which I have not told you guys about, but I have an online store on the app Depop. I'll put my little Depop here. Go follow me and buy some stuff. Someone already bought some stuff and left a really good review, so go check it out, man. So then we have markers and stuff for the notebooks back here. And beads, these are just all pony beads. This is friendship bracelet string. And yes, that is a jean pant leg. And then we have in here, I don't know why I did that, but that's just bracelets I've already made that I'm not selling.
tour of my secret room. I am in love with this place. I chill here all the time, mainly to watch The Office. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm very inconsistent lately because I do not edit lately because I have so much homework, especially this weekend. Actually, I didn't have this much homework this week, but I had a lot this weekend. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. Remember to check out my Depop. Please, please, please do. And then also on to the outro. I hope you liked this week's video. If you did, subscribe to the channel that you're watching right here. If you like seeing my face on your screen, check out my second channel with my friend Delilah. We have a lot of fun over there. Please click on this video, which is another video from my channel, because we have more than one video on this channel. So, IOI, see you next Friday. Bye!